welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Universal Children's Day. Now, United Nations Universal Children's Day was established in 1954 and it is celebrated on 20th November each year to promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide, and improving children's welfare. November 28th is an important date as it is this date in 1959 when the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Declaration of Rights of the Child. It is also the date in 1989 when the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Since 1990, Universal Children's Day also marks the anniversary of the date of United Nations General Assembly adopted both Declaration and Convention on Children's Rights. Mothers and fathers, teachers, nurses and doctors, government leaders and civil society activists, religious and community leaders, corporates, media houses, professionals, as well as young people and children themselves can play an important role and can make Universal Children's Day relevant for their society, communities, and nations. Now, Universal Children's Day offers each of us an inspirational entry point to advocate, promote, and celebrate children's rights, translating into dialogue and action that will build a better world for children. 2018, this year the world is going blue. We are asking individuals, schools, and corporates worldwide to go blue to help build a world where every child is in school, safe from harm, and can fulfill their potential. Going blue activities include sharing videos of yours on Children's Day, signing the global petition, and glowing blue in support of children's rights in social media and much more. Now, we need to celebrate International Children's Day with children and make this day a much more safer day for everyone. For us, children are the future of this country, and we need to protect not only their rights but also teach them good values, make them an asset for the country. For that, investment in infrastructure, education, and health is equally important, and the government needs to focus on providing the primary and secondary education free of cost, along with proper nutritious food, because in India still 70% of the population lives in rural India, and this part of the country does not have enough resources for its children. They do not get proper nutrition, they do not grow properly, because of which they are not able to achieve their full potential and can turn an asset for the country. So we need to see our children as an asset, as an investment, which is going to give dividends not only for the nation but also for their parents, their families, societies. So it is for us to take a resolve on this International Universal Children's Day to make this day a successful day. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.